Hello everybody. In this guide, I will be showing you how to resolve the Chromebook camera file system errors, so just follow through the given guidelines. Method 1. Make sure install the latest updates. Several affected users have confirmed that the problem was finally resolved once they went through the steps of installing the latest ChromeOS version available. So if you're consistently facing this issue, priority 0 should be to install the latest ChromeOS version. Method 2. Check if your device is managed. It's pretty common to get camera file system errors on school Chromebook because the administrator blocks specific applications. Click the clock in the bottom right. Look for the Managed Device icon. If your Chromebook is managed, you need to contact your administrator to fix the issue. Method 3. Restart your device. To initiate a restart on your Chromebook device, expand the context menu from the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you see the Power menu, simply click on the Power button near your account icon and choose Restart from the dedicated menu that just appeared. Once your Chromebook boots back up, repeat the action that was previously having trouble using the built-in camera and see if the problem is now fixed. If this method was not effective in your case, move down to the next method. Method 4. Disable Camera System Web App. Open Chrome, then type Chrome, flags and press Enter. Now, type Camera System Web App in the search flags. Finally, select Disabled Camera System Web App. After doing that, a second camera app will appear at the bottom of the app drawer. Open it, and the issue should be gone. Method 5. Sign out and sign back in. Click the clock icon in the bottom right corner. Now click on Sign Out. Wait for a few moments and sign back into your account. Method 6. Perform a hard restart. Turn off your device. Now press and hold the refresh and power buttons. When the device starts up, release the refresh key. If you're on a Chromebook tablet, you can press and hold volume up and power buttons for at least 10 seconds to perform a hard reset. Method 7. Reset Chromebook to factory settings. Sign out of your Chromebook. Now press and hold Ctrl-Alt-Shift-R select Restart. Now select Power Wash and go to Continue. Sign in with your Google account when asked. Follow the instructions on the screen to complete the process.